of integrals. Integrals are types of integration. Different types of integration is also the two different types of integration. First one is definite, indefinite, and second one is definite. So integration, indefinite integration, indefinite integration, definite integration, indefinite integration, definite integration, indefinite integration, definite integration. Indefinite integration is nothing but the integration like this integration. Okay, Nana? Like this integration, first integration, second integration, third, like this integration. Tell me, Nana. Tell me, Nana. Right. This integration, only this integration. But there are no limits. The integration without the limits. Without the limits. Yes, I told you yesterday from here to there. So this is a town A, this is a town B. Town A and town B. From town A to town B, the bus is traveling. Right, Nana? The car, I'm saying, the car is traveling from town A to town B, the car is traveling. From where to where? This is, let us consider some, suppose 0 meter or suppose 10 meters from the bus stand. Right, Nana? This is the bus stand for 10 meters from the bus stand. It is at a 20 meters, right, 100 meters from the bus stand. Right, Nana? So now it is traveling from here to here. From where to where it is traveling? From 10 to 100 meters. These are the limits. These are the conditions. So these are the limits. So for this type of integrals, we have to use definite integration. Definite integration is nothing but the integration process in which there are particular upper limit and lower limit. This is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. There are particular conditions, particular two values. In between those conditions only you have to be travel. So definitely from 10 meters to 100 meters it was traveled, right? It was completed the journey. Then what is the total distance it was traveled? I am asking. So for that purpose, integration of, yes, integration of from 10 meters to 100 meters. What is writing here? This is upper limit. It is called as upper limit. This is called as lower limit. Upper limit and lower limit. Some function is here f of x dx. Let us consider like that. Integration is as usual. Similar to that one only. For both two formulas are same. Similar formulas are there as it is. You don't worry about that. You don't need to worry about that because everything what I written here, these formulas only applicable here and here. But for this case, there is no limits. For this case, there are two limits: lower limit and upper limit. Without the limits, the integration is called indefinite integration or indefinite integrals. With the lower and upper or upper and lower limits or with the limits, the integration is called definite integration. Indefinite integration, definite integration. Indefinite integrals, definite integrals. Right, Nana? So now these indefinite integral and the definite integral, both two are two different processes, but the method of calculation of integral is same as it is in both two. But this is without the limits, this is with the limits. Right, Nana? I given in the notes. We don't worry about that. You can see that notes. So I am giving one example for yes, in the indefinite integrals, here there should be some constant plus c. Right? Here also there should be some constant c. Here also some constant c. So those constant, the constant C is nothing but a simply.
Sir, మీ వీడియో ఆఫ్ అయింది సార్.
ఆఫ్ అయిందా? ఎవరు కాల్ చేస్తున్నారు? రామ్ సాయి. Ram Sahi is calling student. WhatsApp call he is making. That's right. Yes, వస్తలేండి. అడ్మిట్ చేయమని కాల్ చేస్తున్నాడు. మరి ఎట్ టైం ఒక మనకు నాన్న రామ్ సాయి వచ్చింది మాట్లాడతాను ఒకసారి. క్లాస్ మనకు 9:30 అన్నప్పుడు మనం 9:25, 9:30, 9:35 లోపు యాడ్ కావాలి కదా నాన్న. సో 9:35 లోపు అయితే యాడ్ కావాలి కదా. రామ్ సాయి నాన్న, రామ్ సాయి.
Sir, sorry sir, I went to shop sir for rice.
But with you ఇక్కడ మొత్తం మీటింగ్ అంతా ఆగిపోయింది కదా, అంతేనా కదా?
సార్ నా వల్ల మొత్తం మీటింగ్ ఆగిపోయింది సార్, నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
కాల్ చేస్తే ఆగిపోతుంది నాన్న. కాల్ చేసామనుకోండి ఒక 2 minutes 2 seconds 3 seconds స్ట్రక్ అప్ అయిపోద్ది. సో నీ కాల్ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు, నువ్వు కాల్ చేసావు నాకు?
చేశాను సార్.
నీ కాల్ వల్ల అక్కడ ఆగిపోయింది. వాళ్ళు ఎవరో పిల్లలు అడుగుతున్నారు, సార్ వీడియో ఈజ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ సార్ అని. ఓకేనా? రైట్. 9:30 అంటే మనం 9:30, 9:35 లోపే మనం యాడ్ అయిపోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే బిఫోర్ 5 minutes ఐ వాజ్ స్టార్టెడ్ ద మీటింగ్, స్టార్టెడ్ ద క్లాస్. ఓకేనా? రైట్ నాన్న, నో ప్రాబ్లం. రైట్, హియర్ see here for this integrals, if it is a definite integration there is no constant. If it is a indefinite integration, if it is an indefinite integration, definitely there will be a constant, because in the indefinite integrals there is no lower limit and upper limit. In the definite integrals definitely there will be lower limit and upper limit. You have to be substitute those values. Yes, how the process of the calculation of definite integrals I am saying, because both are same process. I am giving one example on the definite indefinite integrals and another on the definite integrals. So calculate integral 2x power minus 2 by 3 dx. It is looking like a x to the power of n dx. So then this is outside a, and the integral x to the power of minus 2 by 3 dx. A outside, x to the power of, it is looking like an x to the power of n. So formula for this is x to the power of n is there, n plus 1 by n plus 1. So like that, here also a outside, it is x to the power of, tell me Nana, minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Yes, here there is no limits, there is no lower limit, there is no upper limit. Okay na? Without the limits we are doing the integration. That's why it is indefinite integration. So for the indefinite integrals you must write some constant. You don't think about that, just you must write constant C. Right Nana? For indefinite integrations definitely one constant you must write the C as a constant. Any constant will be there. Okay, find the final answer after completion of process. You must write capital C plus capital C. Is it okay now? So now yes, this is a x power minus 2 by 3 plus 1. By doing the LCM, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 3 by plus 1 by 3 plus C. So now 3 going to the numerator, 3a x power 1 by 3 plus C. So 3a x power 1 by 3 nothing but a cube root of x plus C. This is the final answer for this integration. This is the method of integration. Is there any doubt, Nana? This is capital C is called as integration constant. Integration constant. Right, Nana? This capital C is called integration constant. Capital C is what, Nana? integration constant. So final answer after completion of this integration process, I got this answer. Here, what is this, Nana? This is an example for indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. Indefinite integration is nothing but a simply I am not substituting the limits in the final answer. Is it okay, Nana? Now, yes, can I go? Shall I go further discussion? I'm going to discuss about the indefinite completed. I'm going to discuss about the definite integrals. I'm giving one example problem based on the definite integrals. This is based on the indefinite integration. Now I want to discuss about I want to give one example based on the
Sir, explain once again.
Yes, Nana. Integral 2x to the power of minus 2 by 3 dx. This is looking like this formula. A x to the power of n dx. This is a constant outside. Right, Nana? Now it is looking like a integral x to the power of n dx. For this type of equation, what is the formula? X to the power, what is there? Please add 1. Here also, n is there. I am adding 1 to that one. So minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Next, after that, divided by what is here? Please add 1 and write here. This is a method. This is a formula. I am applying this formula only here. Right, Nana? Up to here, clear, na?
Yes.
Right. Very good. A x to the power of minus 2 by 3 plus 1. By doing the LCM, minus 2 by 3 plus 1, I got plus 1 by 3. And here also minus 2 by 3 plus 1, 1 by 3. Okay, Nana? X power 1 by 3. A. Just it is going to the numerator 3a x power 1 by 3 plus 3. This
Sir?
C I am writing. Tell me, Nana.
Constant A, why you not written 2?
Why?
Sir, ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం లో A ఉంది కదా?
అవును.
A integral x to the power of minus 2 by 3
Okay. It is 2, Nana. It is 2. It is 2, Nana. Right. Very good, Nana. It is 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. How much it is, Nana? 6. Very good, Nana. Just it is a constant. Its value at there A. It here 2. So right, Nana. Very good, Nana. Just ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ A. What I am explaining here, just I written here. You don't worry. It is a constant outside 2. So here 3 going to the numerator. 3 into 2, 6. 6 cube root of x power 1 by 3, nothing but a cube root of x.